on the ground, putting it down. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Stock Scoop. I'm Mickey Dee, aka the Baby Knockout Goat. This is the home of the Baby Knockout, where our baby knockouts knock out the stock market competition. I want to wish you all a happy Memorial Day weekend, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you're having a great time with your family. You're doing your thing, uh, barbecue, friends, games, whatever you like. I hope you're having a good time here. I want to talk to you a minute about a story that was overlooked this week because all the news and our baby knockouts make a lot of news, and this particular one did make a lot of news, and the analysts kind of bumped up the price and everything. This is a big thing because they are going to be building one of those giant mega giga factories, and I'll tell you more about it here in a second. But as you know, the scoop is for your education, your entertainment, your information only. I'm not a stockbroker, not a money manager, not a financial advisor. I'm an author and researcher. I put it in black and white, so you'll have it for days, weeks, and months to come, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, thank you. Quantum. I put in a note about quantum computing here, also to go along with this story here. Uh, but let's get to the nitty gritty, as they say. Uh, let's take a look at this story. You should hit share, thumbs up, hit that thumbs up button. We need the algorithm going. As when I talk about that green stuff, I'm like banned from everywhere. But I did get a check from, it's not a big check. I did get a check, a gas check for YouTube. You guys know I'm still hanging in there with gas money. YouTube. All right, let's take a look. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. We had an uptick this week in Hive Digital Technologies. They were up quite a bit, and one of the days was because they announced on Thursday the AI Gigafactory, $3.5 billion AI Gigafactory that they were building. That's Canadian dollars. They were building near Toronto, and that's a big thing because a lot of these gigafactories have faced a lot of opposition. There've been land fights. People are concerned about the noise, the water usage, the power strains, all that stuff, all over the world. It's become a national issue in America. You take a place like China, well, there's really no issue there. Let's take a look. Hive Digital Technologies now trading on Toronto. It's trading on Toronto's exchange. It's also trading on the Nasdaq. Ladies and gentlemen, announced that its Buzz High Performance Computing subsidiary plans to build a 320 megawatt AI gigafactory near Toronto, targeting operation to the second half. They're going to look at the second half of 2026. Ladies and gentlemen, that's not very far away. Give you an example: 320 megawatts. If you were to convert that maybe to homes that can be powered up, and you're gonna, depending on the assumptions of the power, you're looking at about 200,000 homes or so. 200 over a little over 200,000 or so. You could take care of. There were houses, and there's going to be over 100,000 GPUs and estimated capital units. The capital is going to be Canadian, like I told you, 3.5 million. Those 100,000 GPUs, the high tech processors will be 100,000, ladies and gentlemen. That's a lot. That's a lot. The building, this planned facility, framed as sovereign AI infrastructure running. Come on, here it is. Get this thing going on Ontario's clean power grid. Signals an effort to position Hive as a key domestic provider of high energy compute for government expertise for government enterprise and research workloads. This is a big story, ladies and gentlemen. This is big. We believe that under the executive, uh, what's Frank now? Frank's the executive chairman of Hive and Buzz. So we have faith in our baby knockout CEOs that are some of our favorites that we've made a lot of money with in the past. Remember, this was Hive blockchain, ladies and gentlemen. And like many of our companies, many of our Bitcoin companies, they've kind of, you know, pivoted over to the AI infrastructure area because it's a natural fit for a lot of them, ladies and gentlemen. And targeting 2027 for this online. I have a feeling that they'll make it. Canadian dollars, 3.5 billion. You never know. These projects go over and under sometimes. 800,000 jobs or so they're looking at. These Some of these things are good to they're good to go, ladies and gentlemen. They're good to go. Um, and we believe that we can say with a degree of certainty that Frank and his team will get the job done, ladies and gentlemen. That's just our opinion on that. And due to that, you have companies like analysts, Cantor Fitzgerald, who boost the price targets on their stock by 50%. So now they're looking at $4.60 versus $3. So not other analysts will do the same thing. They'll be bumping these price targets up, and that's going to be a good thing for this company, ladies and gentlemen. Really, really good thing. Where did we see this stock Hive at for the first time? How about investing and understanding Bitcoin? Currency stocks to buy now, no wallet, no problem. When no one even cared about currency stocks, we listed Hive in there. Nobody cared about the stocks. Everybody wanted to buy, the Bitcoin. They wanted to buy all the altcoins and all that. And we told you there's going to be a problem. If you don't have a wallet, it's not going to be a problem. If you do have a wallet, then it may be a problem. And it turned out there were some problems, some minor problems with some people. They weren't able to get their dinero, as they say, their dinero. But yeah, you can go there. You put in Mickey Dee Bitcoin or what have you, and it'll come up. This book will come up. I'll leave a link for you also. Thank you to the gentleman, lady organization that ordered, it was 22 this past week or so. And I'm sure you're teaching a class or what have you, and you're using that material, which is good. It's a very easy read. It's not nothing that is too difficult, ladies and gentlemen, on that end. And others use these books also. Ladies and gentlemen, yes, we're going to bring out our pilot quantum computing stock trade, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to bring it out because the test stocks were very, very successful. We had tested months ago. We bought small, just starter shares of a company called Rigetti and then a company called D Wave. They were both, well, one was $3.30, and the other one was $3 and maybe 35 cents or maybe 25 cents, something like that, a little over $3. And they were successful, fairly successful trades. So we like how they're rolling, and we have some additional stocks right now, true baby knockouts that are under $1 that we want to get in your hands right now because I mean, like I said, we're talking AI on steroids, man. Quantum is really something, metaphorically now. I don't want to get in trouble with my scientists, my physician, my physics guys out there and gals out there, or any of my chemists out there. Yeah, it's different. We know it's different. The two, AI and quantum, are different. But when you think of it in its basic sense, with AI just being able to do such great job modeling and everything else, and then you think of what quantum can do, it's just like, wow, man, we got to be part of this. You want some baby knockouts in this quantum area. I mean, not just straight AI. because right now we saw what happened to some straight AI companies. They were AI'd out. In other words, that was pretty much what their motto was AI. But as far as the quantum, there's only a few stocks out there, and we're going to get a hold of them, and I'm going to have them for you. But anyway, we're at war right now, ladies and gentlemen. Men and women out in uniform. We celebrate those men and women that have made the ultimate sacrifice this Memorial Day, ladies and gentlemen. It looks like it's sideways and stuff, huh? Operation Urgent Fury, not Epic Fury. Epic Fury is now. Urgent Fury was Grenada, you know. But anyway, to the men and women in uniform, families, salute you. Carry on. You need strength, you need energy, you need guidance. Look up, ladies and gentlemen, because that's where it's going to come from. Love you. God bless you. Take care of your family. Be safe this weekend, ladies and gentlemen. There's a lot of people out there doing a lot of bad things. Be safe. Take care.